Hey everyone, I'm Lizzie with Apple Seeds, and today I'm going to show you how to make our strawberry beet popsicles. They're super cool and refreshing and packed with nutrients. Alright, let's pick some strawberries. So not only are strawberries super tasty and beautiful, but they're filled with antioxidants that are great for your brain. So if you're having trouble understanding your math homework, maybe try eating a strawberry. And they're a natural tooth whitener. So for our popsicles today, we're going to use strawberries, beets, mint, and just a little bit of water. So to start off, we want to cut the tops off of our strawberries and then just cut them into little chunks. What do you call a strawberry playing the guitar? A jam session. Okay, so there's our strawberries. And I always like to test my ingredients. Perfectly sweet. But if your strawberries are a little bit sour, you could try adding just a dab of honey to brighten the sweetness. All right, let's measure this out. Now it's about 2 cups. And with a recipe like this, close enough is good enough. So next up is our mint. So for something like this, you want to use between 5 to 10 leaves of mint. I really like mint, so I'm going to go heavy on it. And the way that you do it is you just tear the leaves off the stem, and then you want to tear them into maybe like thirds just to help out our blender. Not too small. And that looks like enough to me. Okay, so we have our shredded beets, our mint, a tablespoon of water, and our strawberries. So I'm going to go ahead and add these to the blender. Ooh, look at all that juice. And we're ready to blend. Now, if you like chunks of fruit in your smoothies, you can blend it on a lower setting or for a shorter amount of time. I like my popsicles really, really smooth. All right, let's fill these up and pop them in the freezer. So when you're filling these up, you only want to fill them up about halfway, because remember that ice expands. So when they freeze, they're going to get bigger and fill up the rest of the way. And if you don't have one of these popsicle makers, you can make this same thing with just some little paper cups and a popsicle stick. All right, let's stick them in the freezer.
Two hours later.
All right, our popsicles are fresh from the freezer and they look so good. Let's give it a try. Okay, it's really, really good. The strawberry is the strongest flavor, and then there's a little bit of earthy sweetness from the beet, and then the nice, cool bit of refreshing taste from the mint. It's so good. It's the perfect summer snack. Be sure to check back for another video next week.
If you enjoyed this video, you should subscribe to Apple Seeds on YouTube for more recipes and fun on the farm.